Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to switch to a professional account on Instagram on Android. If you're looking to promote your business or brand on Instagram, switching to a professional account can help you get access to features and analytics that can help you grow your following and reach more people. Step 1. Open Instagram. The first step in switching to a professional account on Instagram on Android is to open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account before proceeding. Step 2. Tap on your profile. Once you're on the Instagram home screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Tap on Edit Profile. After tapping on your profile icon, tap on Edit Profile to access your profile settings. Step 4. Tap on Switch to Professional Account. Once you're on your profile settings page, scroll down and tap on Switch to Professional Account. This will take you to a page where you can select the type of content you want to promote. Step 5. Select the type of content. After tapping on Switch to Professional Account, select the type of content you want to promote. You can choose between creator, business, and shopping accounts. Step 6. Select OK. Finally, you'll see a confirmation page. Tap on OK to confirm that you want to switch to a professional account. This will immediately switch your account type, and you'll be able to access professional features and analytics. And that's it. Switching to a professional account on Instagram on Android is quick and easy. By following these simple steps, you can switch your account type to a professional account and start promoting your business or brand on Instagram. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips.